What
and
age
his
is Ollie?
safety. Oh, 3 weeks old.
Oh God, he's that young.
We had only moved into the apartment a week before Christmas, and now we have this. It was 1:30 that morning. My mother got a phone call from the garage to move her car out of off the road from outside the building. We kind of settled back down. Then after that, 4:00, then my child woke up to have his bottle, and we looked out the window just to see, and the River Slaney was after bursting the spanks, and we were completely trapped in by that time.
You must have got the fright of your life, Kasey, did you, when you saw
We
this?
did.
Yeah.
We panicked, and it was 9:30 by the time we had gotten out, because there was nobody to contact between 6:00 and 9:00.
Explain to listeners, Kasey, what happened, what that rescue operation looked like.
My partner had to lift myself and my mother out to the Slaney Search and Rescue workers. They had to put us over their shoulders into the boat because the water was up past their knees. Once my mother was in the boat, then we had to lift the baby up in the air and get the baby into the boat safe. When we were getting out at 9:00, the water was coming in the front door, and it was nearly up to our electric box. And that's kind of all we really know, because we haven't been back home since.
You haven't got back home?
We haven't been able. The water is still up over our front door. We haven't been back since what we last seen, so we don't know what we're going home to.